Alright guys, so I'm starting this video a little late. I've already gotten into it a little bit, as you can see. So, the only thing I really did was pull the coils out, unplug that, and that hose back there, and move this, loosen it so I can get the valve cover off. So now, Adapted Performance sent me out their high pressure fuel pump cover and their coil pack cover. So I'm gonna paint those. Those are priming right now. They also sent me out their valve cover dress up. So all these rusty bolts in here, all those rusty bolts right there, those are all gonna look very nice. The only thing I need now to finish this all up is a wire tuck. I don't know if I'm gonna do that yet. So, I'm gonna finish painting. Meanwhile, I'm gonna pull this valve cover off and put these in. All right guys, this came out amazing. So he even included the ones in here, as well as the ones all the way around. So this looks amazing, and it's gonna add that little bit of touch that you want without overdoing it. Now, I just need to finish my coil cover, my high pressure fuel pump cover, and then he included dress up hardware for that also. So that's perfect. And there's a current B by my car. Oh, okay. So my valve cover is not in the best shape. I painted it and he's back. I painted it, but it's been roughed up a little bit since I painted it. I just wanted to get rid of that nasty brush, or like, not brush, like just cast aluminum look. And black metallic paint with some primer, did the job. Wasn't a great job. I didn't care to take my time and do it like 100% correct, because when I do, I'll just get it powder coated. So that way it'll be more durable, it'll last longer, it'll look better. Not worried about paint really. That's down the road. I'm just worried about it functioning. Speaking of functioning, I just got my third revision from FreakTune. He's finally up to the boost from 14 PSI, which was what the map I used to break in the motor. He's finally upped it to 21 because the motor is broken in. Let's paint these. Alright guys, all done, and it looks amazing. Very nice stainless steel gold washers with regular washers underneath them. It looks very nice. So he includes instructions. He's also got spacers in there in between, like that. To get them to fit properly, you need the spacers. So let me put this back together and we'll get the final look. All right, it looks amazing, guys. So happy with how it turned out. Only thing I do need to fix is my CX Racing piping, because it does rub. It's already rubbed some of the paint off. Jesus. All right, well, whatever. It's that coupler down there that's the problem. It needs to be angled up more, up like this, but every time I drive it fucking bounces it back down. So that's something I need to fix. But until then, I'm gonna get the map loaded on and I'm gonna start driving on this new tune, see how it feels.